Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the cylinder size and backset so the new lock fits. This prevents wasted trips. Once you have the correct replacement and tools, screwdriver, Allen key, tape, marker, remove screws on the interior faceplate. Hold the lock tailpiece as you pull the cylinder out to avoid dropping internal parts. Make sure to note orientation of the latch and keep screws organized. Once the old lock is out, inspect the strike and latch for wear before proceeding to install the new cylinder. You insert the new cylinder the same way the old one came out so the tailpiece aligns with the latch. Consistent orientation ensures smooth operation. Feed the tailpiece through the latch and hold it while you loosely fasten interior screws so parts seat correctly, then tighten evenly to avoid misalignment. Once tightened, operate the key and thumb turn several times to confirm smooth movement. This checks cam engagement and catches any binding. If it sticks, loosen screws slightly and realign before final tightening. You finish by verifying bolt and strike alignment. Close the door and watch the bolt enter the strike. If it binds, mark the spot, remove the strike plate, and file or reposition it for a flush fit. Alignment prevents jamming and prolongs the lock. Lubricate the cylinder with graphite powder to keep keys turning. Avoid oil which attracts dirt. Make sure to cycle the lock 3-5 times with the door closed and then recheck screws after 24 hours. If problems persist, reevaluate strike positioning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.